Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is this super fun Christmas card that you see here. It's really cute, it's really adorable, and it's part of a free card collection. So I've gone super simple, intermediate, and then an avid, but I don't think you need to be avid to do it. Anybody can do it with a little bit of help. So all free cards. Super easy to make, but we're going to be doing the hardest one because I believe in you. You can make it yourself. So, where to start? We are using the Perfectly Plaid stamp set, which is super cute and adorable. And in this suite is this designer series. Start again. In the suite is the designer series paper, which has this beautiful plaid pattern, and you can just see that slight little gold. Super cute. Let's get going. So, where shall we begin? Lot to do. Move the card over. We've got a strip of 2 inches of that designer series paper, which is adorable. We have the second to largest stitched circle, which I've cut out twice, one in Whisper White and one in Crumb Cake. And our base is a C6 size piece of crumb cake. So, let's start by heat setting the sentiment. So the sentiment I've taken is from the set. It's hoping that your busy year comes together in Christmas cheer. Mouthful. And I'm going to heat set that in Whisper White. And Bussin' Buddy. So just run that over the bottom part of our card. Ink it up and stamp that towards the bottom like so. So there is a lot of heat setting on this project, so please just bear with. So let's quickly powder that up. And heat set that. Okay, so that's that done. While that cools, it's gonna just relax the cardstock. Let's do this bit first. So, in the stamp set comes in a bundle with an amazing punch, which is on the floor, which is here. So this perfectly coordinates with all them trees that you see. It's super cute, super fun, and it's just adorable. Why wouldn't anybody want it? So I've already pre-punched out one of the trees in just some scrap card, and I'm going to place that on top of our Whisper White stitch circle. Taking a scrap piece of card, which I have here, and just going to attach a piece of adhesive. I'm going to stick this behind, like so, just so I have a way of levering it into place. So now I know that circle, because I can't see the circle, I know because I've lined up my pre-punched shape, that's going to be exactly where I wanted it. How fun, and doesn't that just make life a hell of a lot easier? It really makes it easier. So once that's there, I'm going to sit that on top of our crumb cake circle, and I'm going to bring in this tree here, this one, and I just think it's really cute, really pretty, and got like to use my embossing buddy. Lay that over the top. Ink up my image, and then I can just pop that inside that tree shape. So I also know that's going to be perfect. Sprinkle over some more embossing powder. The way I think of Christmas is you have to emboss everything because it's just like snow. So now just heat set that again. So very nearly burnt my fingers. So that's that. That's going to quickly cool off, and that's going to sit over the top like so. Perfect. Before we do that, we are just going to add a little bit of detail in the little leaves on this. So I'm going to take my dark granny apple green, and I'm using granny apple green because I think brights just works so much better. And just colour in each and every leaf, which doesn't take long because they're only small. And it's most certainly not laborious because we all love colouring, let's face it. Who doesn't like colouring? So as you can see there, it's just a very subtle look to it, but it makes all the difference. So I'm going to pop our Whisper White piece up onto dimensionals. I'm probably going to attach quite a few. Well, 6. That's a few, isn't it? Onto the back. Like so. And then just line that up again and pop that down. So there you have a cute little embellishment. So I know this is going to sit roughly over the top of that, like so, and this strip is going to sit behind it. So I'm going to quickly grab some snail adhesive, run that along. And just pop that behind like so, turn it round, and I can quickly just cut off any excess that I might have for another card. So this is pretty as it is, but you know me, I like to add some twine to the card. So I'm just going to grab my twine. And I'm going to wrap that around just a couple of times and finish in a bow. If I can ever get my hand round. One, two, three, And as I said, just finish it in a bow. And then we can pop this up again onto dimensionals. And there you have today's project. I hope you enjoyed today's card. And while you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop for you to purchase them for yourself. And while you're down there, like, comment and subscribe. And why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super fun, quick and easy it is to make this project. I'll see you around. Bye.